people get very overconfident and they end up putting themselves into a dangerous situation. It's not worth it. You want to drive at a speed that's safe and reasonable for the conditions. You've seen videos around the world of cars, karma, people losing control. It's just not worth it. That's how I feel, in my opinion. I'm a state certified driving instructor. You will come up with your own conclusion. You will decide what you think you should do. But I'm at a pretty good speed, and I don't want to crash or cause an accident. And then you'll be pointing your finger at other people. But you are the problem. Trying to keep my space and have good lane position to the right, lane position to the left. I see people slowing down. This is where an accident can happen. So I'm trying to keep good space. I do have to get over 2 lanes to the right. So I'm going to get over 1. It's all timing. Yeah. Get over 1 lane to the right. That same car that cut me off, I passed him and they're to the right. So a lot of people try to bully you, road rage you. If you know you're doing what's right, then do what's right. You're going real easy and squeeze these brakes. This is a clover leaf, it's raining, I don't want to spin out. At 30 miles an hour. This car has about 80% tread left, pretty good, larger vehicle. Every car is different. Some cars you don't take care of your maintenance, and then you're going to hydroplane and spin out. They kind of cut over really quick. It's not worth it. Be predictable and reliable. And then we want to see the rear of the tires on the ground. That was pretty stressful. All the rain, cars tailgating, being aggressive. You can't get a ticket for driving in this type of weather too fast. You must drive at a speed that is safe and reasonable for the conditions on the road. Going to the turn really slow. Time. Rear of the tires on the ground. smooth and easy. Lane positioning, I used the white line to help me, but I don't want to look at it like that car. I'll be drifting to the right. I want to have lane positioning to the left. I want to have my car centered in the lane